Streaming. We should be connecting here. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get this up and running, guys. It's 9 a.m. Let's go ahead and look at the token distribution, copperlaunch.com. Okay, we are live. We are live. Right now, the price is sitting at total volume. Oh, man, price is already at 15. Price is already at 15 cents. I am wanting it to see it drop. Here, let's see if we can actually get some more. We can clearly see the decay curve. Wow, my face is super bright. This screen, I don't know how to turn it down, but let's see if this can start to drop here. Price is still at 15. Token sold is already, man, there's already been total volume of a couple 100,000. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to keep this on the back burner. I'll keep this actually on the bottom of my screen so we can actually, I want to trade here as well. Look at the markets. I mean, the markets aren't really looking good, so I don't mind actually looking here and just totally devoting my time to this liquidity pool token distribution event. If you guys want to come over from TikTok, come over to YouTube. And if you guys could on YouTube, I'm posting a lot of Lethia AI trading videos and just everything crypto stocks related. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. So again, I'm not too sure if this can, I'm only going to use 300 bucks. I mean, I don't really want to put a lot of money into it because I want to see how the markets react to the actual ALI token and the level 2s, with level 2s only being worth around 15,000 right now, and level 1s being worth way less, but it only costs $300 at the 11 cent level to actually level up a level 1 to level 2 to get enough tokens. So let's go ahead and actually go to OpenSea and get to these personality pods. Right now, the floor price is at 34 or 0.34. Again, I'm not really seeing any pretty normal. Price is at 15, so it jumped up already almost 50%, not even 50%. Oh, it's at 16 now. So people are, again, guys, this could be just a panic pop. Panic pop is when we actually, in stocks, let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and explain it too. When market opens for these, why can't I, yeah, when a market opens, sometimes you see a stock kind of pump up and then drop right at open within the first couple minutes. So we have to I'm going to actually wait here and just I don't want to be a part of the buyer because we know that we have the time decay curve on our side if we haven't already bought. And if you guys have any questions about the token distribution or anything, I can actually post up the link to actually join the Copper distribution event or Copper launch platform. Again, 1.2 raised. Again, this is going to be pretty big. Okay, it's at 14. Again, it dropped up. It was at 16 something. Now it's at 14. So again, we're not going to be, I'm probably going to be buying later in the day, but we'll have to see what happens. Without new buyers, we'll see it drop drastically by 3 o'clock today. We'll see it drop all the way back down to 8 cents. Again, the private investors did invest at 1 cent, so I don't expect it to get too far that low. Again, we're going to take advantage of this really exponential move to the lower side in the first couple hours of the token distribution event. What does approve USDC usage? I'm not too sure what that. See, right now, again, not looking just to buy anything at the moment. So we're just going to be sitting on our hands waiting, guys. We got to be patient with what is actually going to happen. Again, I'm just going to be live here for maybe 30, 40 minutes, understand what's going on with the market. Hopefully you guys don't, I'm not going to buy at the top right here because it could be a panic pop. It could drop. Nothing. It's not really going to be something I'm watching. Let's see if it pops up on CoinMarketCap. Sorry, guys. That's my Roomba. It'll be done in a sec. It's just So we have AliLink token. This is not what, if you look it up, this is not the right token. This is not it at all. So do not buy the AI link token on Hotbit, because I made that mistake when I first got in here. I went on Hotbit, bought maybe like $100 of it. I still hold it, but it's not the actual ALI token. This is the actual ALI token, and I'm glad that we're able to look at it and trade, just kind of maybe jump in together. So it doesn't, I mean, I'm not too sure if it updates every single time or if we have to continue to refresh our page. But the funds raised have already dropped. It was over $1 million, so it looks like people are buying right at the top and selling for a good profit. So 6 million tokens have already been sold. And not really, if the markets right now, the top gappers, we have RELI, not really moving. Let's go and look at the SPY real quick. See what's going on with the SPY. SPY hit it. I think the SPY just made a new all-time high pre-market and yesterday. Don't like the volume, though. The volume is kind of stagnant, staying sideways. I'm not a huge fan of that, so I am a little worried about just today in this run here. I'm not a huge fan of that. Plus, it's just choppy in general. The markets are just not looking good. Yep, see, we're already back down at 14. Looks like people are selling. This is the panic pop. Plus the time decay is on our side. Again, at 10, we're going to drop from the price. Again, 2 cents. That's a good amount. And then drop even more and more and more. So I want to see us drop a little bit more. Maybe people start to sell off at the top, because when they start seeing it drop, people are going to be selling. People are going to be selling because they realize it's going down. See, they're already selling now. We can see the funds raised. It dropped. It was at $1 million. It's already dropped 300,000. So if you guys want to, this is the Alethea AI token. If you're on TikTok, they're doing a token auction event on copperlaunch.com. So if you guys want to actually come over, you can come over to YouTube and I'll drop the link if you guys are interested. But this is for artificial intelligence metaverse. I'm not liking it right now. I'm just going to be sitting on my hands at the moment, not looking to jump into the play. I am looking to buy some, but I'm not looking to buy it right at open, because again, we saw that $300,000 already it was at $1 million, 300,000 already got dumped back onto the markets, and we do have that time decay curve on our side. So again, this is definitely something that we're gonna wait and be patient with. And I don't think we're gonna see it. We could see it absolutely rip, but we also will see it dump. And let's go and check Alethea AI. If we actually received our tokens yet. So we haven't received our tokens. We got the Copper Launch platform. You can click there. Now, oh, the tokens won't be released until noon. Sorry about that. People are looking to buy more on this token contract address. Active. So they can pull liquidity and pause trading. So if it gets too volatile, they'll pause it. It's like a total volume. Yes, we've had 1.7 million. Again, the pause trading is just like the halts inside of the stock market. I'm not too sure how often this updates. So this is moving every hour. This is what I'm seeing. So it looks like I can't get a really in-depth market of candlesticks or what's going on, because we saw candlesticks and volume. That would be a lot better indicator of where it could possibly go. Again, more people are selling. Funds raised. It's dropping quick. Dropping quick. So we're definitely going to see this potentially drop. Where do you buy your NFTs? How do you determine a worthwhile purchase? So I buy my NFTs on OpenSea or SolanaNet, I believe, or there was one other website. But OpenSea, basically, I determine if it's a good buy or not buy the company. I do not buy just any random NFTs unless I really like the art and it's not that much money and I just like as a collector. But that's a collector. I'm not buying it to make money. I'm buying it because I like the art. This is a NFT, so I've been invested in Alethea AI for a while, and this is finally their token distribution auction. So they're releasing their coin. This is what I'm looking at the moment. So if you're interested, I think Alethea AI has massive potential in 2022. They've released some just kind of insights of what's actually happening live now. 72 hours. Please join us. So again, guys, I do not expect it to drop below 4 cents. Do not expect it to drop below 4, maybe even potentially 5 or 6 or 7. Because as soon as we start dropping below the open, people are going to be starting to buy. And plus, with the time decay curve, we want to actually take advantage of this exponential drop right at the beginning, because as time goes on, it's going to be harder and harder to suppress buyers for this longer period of time. So we're going to take this opportunity here. Again, this is where people are just buying right out of the gate. But as soon as it starts losing hype, and as soon as it starts losing just the people from Alethea AI that are buying immediately, we're going to see a drop in price. Because right now, the only people that are really focusing on this is people from Alethea AI. Now they're saying, I'm going to buy right at 11. Let's see what the funds are. Let's see if people are buying. See, again, it's dropping even more. 13 bucks. It dropped. Oh, man. It's dropped like 500,000. 2 million in volume traded already. Again, the panic pop is definitely something that we thought was going to happen, and that's exactly what happened, guys. The panic pop. As soon as it pops open, it runs up. People buy it open, sell at the top, and trying to make a quick profit. So let's see if this can actually start to drop a little bit more. Again, on YouTube or on TikTok, thank you guys for stopping in, and make sure to hit that like button and also share if you guys could. And if you're trying to get, again, just a better experience, come over to YouTube. Again, so the funds have dropped $600,000 from that panic pop. Again, I do expect it to drop below the open. Again, drop below the open. Usually people start to, it's just psychology. Once it drops below the open, people are a little scared and worried that it might continue lower. So they're not going to be as eager to buy. So we have to really take our time here and understand what the market's doing. And again, this time decay curve is on our side for the first 24 hours. Again, it's on our side forever, but this exponential drop is going to be definitely something. It's going to be harder for buyers to keep this sustained since we have this decay curve. Now, once we get started where it doesn't decay as much, that's when buyers are going to take over. So we've seen the funds raised earlier, right at open, was all the way up at 1 million, over $1 million raised. Now, $600,000 have already left this coin. So again, this panic pop has definitely been working out well for us. And if you guys have any questions, send them in the chat. If you want the link to the auction, I bought my USDC on Coinbase and sent it over to my MetaMask. So again, the price is already at 12.72. It was all the way up at 16. Now we're seeing that drop. I really want to see this start to drop. If there's no buyers, we're going to see it drop a lot more. I don't see it dropping below 4 or 5 cents. Funds raised, again, it's just dropping more and more and more. That nice panic pop, people buying right out of the gate, catching the hype to the upside and selling for a quick profit. There's scalpers in the market. And plus, there's definitely there's bots that are bot snipers that any new coins that come on the market, they're getting this Copper Launch platform, they'll buy right at open, catch the panic pop, catch maybe a couple 10-20% and then sell. So this is all in the fundamentals of what an ICO or an open. So we are going to definitely wait and see what's happening. Don't want to waste any money because that time decay curve is on our side. And it's unfortunate because I'm only getting an hour time frames between each kind of where I can look and actually see the prediction, because I would like to see some candles and some volume, which is unfortunate. Or trade on Balancer. Let's look at Balancer. Let's see what's happening here. USDC ALI token. Let's see what's loading here. Not enough data. So again, I can't see any orders, any volume. Can't see anything at the moment. Now I do have the volume, but again, this is showing me the total volume. I want to see per time frame, per 5 minutes, per 1 minute. Really just see what's going on with Alethea AI. The funds were dropping. Again, this is just market psychology. Again, any IPO. Let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and show you guys what happens with IPOs. So we have Hood. This is Robinhood. See how we IPO'd, pumped, dumped. It's just classic psychology. We have Coinbase. Same thing. We pumped all the way up. We opened at 380, pumped up to 430, and then dumped. And with Rivian. Again, same. We pumped up and then dumped. It's just market psychology. That is with any highly anticipated IPO or open, this is what happens with again, NFTs, Coinbase, or NFTs, coins, stocks, anything that has an open market like this, that is what happens. And the funds are just dropping more and more. And if you guys haven't already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could. I'm going to be posting a lot of Alethea AI content, and just if you want to learn anything about trading, tokens, I'll be posting a lot of explanation on why certain coins. Scroll down on the website and click auction history. Auction history. Okay. Inputs, output. Yeah, so people are scalping it right now, trading it, looking to make some money. It's hard to really see. We have more showing. There's only been 67 orders so far. Now, let's go ahead and see what that first order was. Yeah, again, $200,000 at 11 cents. Let's see where we can buy. He's buying more. Buy. Let's see, where's that? There's 20,000 at 15. See this? It's either a bot sniper or it's going to be a just someone looking to catch the panic pop that we were talking about. Again, price is back down at 11.7. We're right over the open right now. People are buying some ALI tokens. I'm waiting for it to drop at least 40% from the open. At least 40%. And I think we're going to get a lot of, again, 10 cents is going to be a natural resistance level or support level. And 5 cents is going to be a natural support level. It's just like how in stocks, whole dollars and half dollars are natural support and resistance. 918. I don't know how fast this updates, so I don't like that I have to continue to update it. Let's see. 18. Okay, so this is the same. Buying at 12, 1300 USDC, 9,000. Again, sell. There's that 20,000. Yeah, 20,000 or ALI. He probably bought at the high. Let's see what this guy is. Okay, can't see any address. OX55E bought sell. So he's been just dumping the market. He was definitely one that was trying to catch the panic pop. And that's why I didn't buy it, because I knew these token snipers and just people looking to catch this panic pop was definitely something that was going to happen. We used to have the funds raised all the way up to 1 million. So definitely something that we have to keep on watch, because the funds, I think, could drop more. I think people are just going to be buying and holding. Again, the funds will be stagnant at some point. I'm looking for that to kind of bottom out. And once we see the funds raised start to bottom out and start to slowly increase, and we see get more of a chart data, that is what I'm going to be looking to buy. Not looking to buy right at market open. And then let's go ahead and look at cryptocurrency real quick. Now we have VXV. VXV pumped yesterday because Elon Musk said a tweet about VXV. So they're actually pumping. If you're looking to actually get into VXV, they made a pretty much perfect double bottom. We can see we have a first low, that previous low. Now let's see if we can actually hold this low. If we can hold a 527, I do think we're going to break this potential downtrend and room back to $6. And especially on the daily, we're going to actually go to the 4 hour. We can see that we're kind of just like flat, like potentially a bull pennant. It could break lower again. We had that really strong volume there. Now we're starting to just see that decreasing in volume, waiting for the markets to make a move. Now, if you're looking to buy VXV for a trade, your stops have to be below 524. Now, Bitcoin. I've talked about Bitcoin in the past. If we do not see, we've actually broke this downtrend to the upside, how we were. Again, I made a YouTube video on Bitcoin a couple weeks ago saying that if we do not crack $54,000 and hold this level, if we do not hold 54,000, break it, but if we do find resistance and come lower and break this downtrend or break this uptrend, then I do think we're going to be in a bear market. Now, again, I have no idea where the stock's going to go. Any trader has no idea where the stock's going to go, and I'm always going to make that clear to you guys because anything's possible. As a trader, and this could be just a market maker move. See how we made a new high and then pulled back and closed below the previous high? That is a potential market maker move. Consolidation, fake move to the downside. We have decreasing volume as well. I would like us to hold above this $48,000 level, but again, this $54,000 level for Bitcoin is my top level to watch. Guys, and if you are saying something to me in the Discord, it's hard for me. I'm not really looking at it because it's so fast. So try to do it in the YouTube chat, and I'll be able to get it to you earlier or be able to see it quicker. Again, funds raised already dropped over $800,000. People are selling their things back in the market. It's getting closer to the open. People are looking to buy, sell. Someone sold 70. Again, there's that $70,000 level. They bought it open. They're selling because they don't want to lose money on their trade. They were waiting for it to pop. Again, if we break below the open, we're going to see a lot of people sell. Because think about it. If you bought right at market open, looking for the pop up, your stop loss will be below the open. Because if it breaks below the open, you can expect it to drop lower. Only USDC is allowed. I think more than USDC. You can trade with Ethereum. Yeah, you can trade with Ethereum. Let's see if it's dropping back below. Again, that open is at 1104. 1104. Are you invested in the pods? Yes, I have 2 pods myself, 2 level 1s. So I've been in this project for a while. I mean, I wouldn't say a while. Maybe around end of November, beginning of December. That's when I really bought my pods, which was really, really nice. And I'm planning on holding long term. I don't care about the short term price action, because I do think that since there's close to 8,000 pods staked, and most of those are level 1. So I'm assuming when everyone gets level 2, that there's more supply, the price is going to drop, especially since you can buy a level 1 pod right now for around $1,300, and then it only takes $300 around at 11 cents. It takes around $330 to get 3,000 tokens to level up your pod from level 1 to level 2. So I do think we're going to see a drop in the NFT level 2 value. Now, right now, level 2 is selling for $15,000, but we'll have to see what happens with the price. Which one is the dominant market? What is going to make the price of the NFT? Is it going to be the price of the token, or is the NFT going to be its own, is it going to be its own market because there's only 10,000 of them? Again, we're going to have to see what the market. I do not suggest that you guys buy any more pods right now until we see the reaction from the market. True, level 2 pods will be around 3 or less. Yeah, 100%. I don't actually see it dropping below 3, because that's what the level 1s are selling for. So how I see it is it will not drop. So we have level 1s, whatever the level 1s are, add $330 to it at 11 cents. And then that should be the price of the level 2s. But again, I'm not going to be selling my level 2s for $2,000. I'm going to be selling it for way more, back at the price at what it is right now. I'm here for the longer term, because I'm not worried about short-term price action, because Alethea AI is definitely one of the best NFT projects we're stupid new. We're stupid new to Alethea AI. CryptoPunks came out in 2017. So 3K to upgrade to level 3, yeah, I mean, that's not too much. When a level 3 is going for 20 Ethereum right now, that is definitely something that we got to keep on watch. It's just something that doesn't work out, and that's definitely going to work out as time moves on. So I'm definitely waiting to see what Alethea AI has in store for us, especially since we have that they gave us a Legos memories card. Let's go ahead and, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but yeah, this is it's going to add more utility to your token, and it's just going to be cooler. I wonder if you're going to receive this as your own NFT. Like, this is going to be an NFT for your pod. So we'll have to see, because you might be able to sell your NFTs like skill level, because what I'm seeing, the card to train with is, what if you could actually train, what if you made your card and that is what holds your AI value? So again, this is all speculative. I don't know anything, but what if you get airdropped this NFT, and if anybody with the Alethea AI pod can actually buy your AI's like knowledge and buy its intelligence, and then your AI is back at level 1. I don't know. Again, I have no idea. That's just speculation. I think that would be kind of cool. Also, what happens to let's say you have 3,000 tokens. You want to level up your level 1 pod. When you're doing that, when you level up your level 1 pod, what happens to those 3,000 tokens? Do they get burned? Do they get put on the open market? Because if they get burned, that would be pretty cool. Because in their tokenomics, they've said that coins or tokens cannot be minted, but tokens can be removed. It's burnable. So that's definitely something that we have to keep on watch. Let's go ahead and update this. Buy. Again, people are looking to buy right open. They think that it could potentially move up. Oh my gosh, 52,000 USDC. Again, this was at 1171. Again, I do think we're gonna see, again, that's a lot of money. That's a nice whale. Let's go ahead and see what he's got. Enter value. Okay, market's live, 6 minutes. Looks like he's been trading I believe, USDC, and I'm not really too sure. I think they're locked with a pod when leveled up, meaning essentially they are burned. Yeah, I mean, so that's pretty good. And especially if you actually take into account that once you fuse your AI with an NFT, at the moment you cannot unfuse them. Meaning technically the NFTs right now are deflationary. There's going to be less and less and less artificial personality pods on the market, because once you fuse them with an NFT for, let's say, a Bored Ape, then you don't have that NFT or that personality pod at the moment to fuse with anything else. So kind of deflationary right at the moment. Now they can change that. The DAO is going to decide if you're able to if you're going to be able to unfuse your pods. Okay, guys, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna actually look at some potential opportunities. Just sift through my watch. Let's see if there's anything that I like. Okay, I'm not really a huge fan of anything. I want to see RELI drop back below and maybe bounce off the 200 SMA. BVXV dumping. Again, so right now I'm not really seeing anything on my watch list. So we're gonna go back to this. We have ISIG that I'm gonna. Sorry, just adding that. Don't want to miss it. How many ALI tokens will I be able to get right now? Around 2,500. So I'm looking to get at least 3,000 for my. I want to get more than what I can level up level 1 pod for. Yeah, I'll have to ask. I'll actually ask in the. Wait, quite a few bought at 11, sold at 15. People buy and sell just like they do a normal market, except with you have a downward price pressure as a function of time. Yeah. So, I lost my train of thought. I was reading one of the Breviants. Yeah, no, but I'm definitely going to actually cover the tokenomics, what's going to go on with the pods as we see more market. Just what's going on with the market in the next few days to weeks. So, someone sold. Yeah, someone definitely sold a big amount there. So if you guys are interested in getting we have ISIG that's halted to the upside. It was halted at 9:30.43. We're gonna be live at 9:35.43. Hey, maybe you guys will be able to watch me make some money real quick. Let's go to ISIG just real quick. We have bids at 12.84. I don't like that. So I do want to see this gap up and then pull back. So it's going to be live here in around 2 minutes. I want to see ISIG gap up above this 1787 or 1778 level. Come back, fill me at around 1720, 1730, and then continue to rip. Now with the halt strategy, you guys probably aren't traders as much, but let me know. I can explain the halt strategy if you are trying to get into trading. It's super easy. It's one of my favorite strategies. Yeah, and actually, guys, if you guys, I think all 8 current congruent viewers are actually from the Elite AI Discord. And what I'm really excited about, and what I'm actually going to continue to pursue, is actually I got in contact with one of the admins, or Cybersum from Elite AI, and they're going to be posting some of my TikTok videos. They're going to be posting some of my YouTube videos. They're going to be on Twitter. And then I'm going to try to continue to get a partnership with them and try to maybe work something out. So that would be cool. Ideally, I would want to see if we can do a potential pod giveaway for my followers or my subscribers, because that would be awesome. I would really want to do that and give back to the community. Oh, so ISIG is going to be live here in around. Oh, it should have been live. ISIG is going to be live in 20 seconds. So, guys, in around 20 seconds, we're going to be live for ISIG. 10 seconds. Here we go. Let's see if we can make some money here. We're ripping. We're ripping. I'm deleting my order because it popped up. Again, the panic pop and open. It's going to pump up, potentially drop. I'm not looking to risk that money. So I did not get the, yep, there was the panic pop. That's exactly what happened with Lethia AI. So I did not want to take it. Token sold, 0.03. Woo. Again, we've had $800,000 get just removed. We had ISIG gap, like, absolutely rip up to 20 cents. Again, we're getting really close to that open. If we start breaking below the open, we're going to see a lot of drop. Again, this price decay curve, that's at a 236. But no tokens other than the 500. What is that? It's a GIF? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Yep, how's the ISIG popped up? Now it's dumping. Again, I didn't get filled there, which is unfortunate. Let's go and look at the action history. So we have people buying 1,000, sell, buy 12,000 USDC. So it's just like the halt strategy here. We opened up. Now we have a lot of buying pressure at 11 cents or above 11 cents, looking for the move higher. From a trader's perspective, if it drops below the halt level, and in this case, the open, you're going to sell. So that's definitely something we're going to see a lot of selling pressure if we drop below the open. We're stupid close. We're only around 3,000th of a penny. Or no, I'm not even gonna try to do that. But we're very, very close to the price action. We've been live now for around 40 minutes. And there's that panic pop, pull back with the volume. The volume is pretty high. And we had a lot of selling pressure back at the open again. So we might be able to see some, again, I want to see it break below within the next hour or so. By 10, break below the open, and we can continue to get a better pullback. Continue to drop. Continue to drop. Buy. Buy. So, yep, people are starting to buy at this level, looking for the move higher. Let's see how many ALI tokens. Again, I want to get at least 3,000 tokens with 300 bucks. Ideally, that's ideally. Prove USDC usage. I'm not too sure really what that means, and I'm not going to click it until I'm ready to buy. All right, I was gonna post my link or try to get people from Alethea AI into YouTube, but I don't want to continue posting in the admins or ARC builders. Not really liking it, bringing me over to my own. But we'll have to see what happens again. It's unfortunate. Okay, let's see what ISIG is. ISIG is halting here, or is not halting here, but we are potentially flagging. So I might be looking for an entry here. So let's go ahead and see. I want to see it pull back and not make a high. I want to see it hold this high. Or so hold this low, excuse me. Hold this previous low. I want to see it pull back to the 90 maybe before it pops. Then it's already popping. It's already popping. Yep, there was the pop. It just cracked. Oh, it's very choppy right now. This is my first copper auction. It seems to me it should be one way only, but only don't use the platform as a way for people to buy and sell in hopes of making a quick profit. People are using it. But we're getting closer and closer to that open, guys. You got to be careful. That buying pressure was back at 37. It's been around 4 minutes. We can see that time decay curve, the exponential move. It's already bringing the price lower. So you got to be careful here. Right now, the time is on our side. Don't FOMO in right now. Do not FOMO in. So we had extremely high volume on this, hold on, give me one check. See how we made a previous high, close back below with increasing volume? That's not what I want to see. Maybe a false move down to 18. Don't want to see it back below 1759 for ISIG. Uh-oh, it's getting closer and closer. Getting closer and closer. Let's see if I can actually set this up somewhat nicely here. All right, guys. Let's see how good my multitasking is. Let's see how good my multitasking is. Looking for a bounce. Now, I don't want to see it below this previous low. Don't want to see it below this for ISIG. We're at 11.19. 11.19. Right now, ISIG... Potential short squeeze. It's on the hype. Again, this is a potentially flag. I don't like how we broke out of the previous high and then continue lower. Again, this is just going to be a potential market maker move. Looking for it to come back all the way down to around 1761. That would be the ideal. Oh, let's see what happens. Did we break below the open? Oh, not yet. We haven't broke below the open. We're around just 13, I think 13 thousandths. I don't even 13 ten thousandths. I don't even know of a penny or of a dollar from actually breaking below the open. We're going to see a lot of selling pressure come in. We haven't really seen, again, another buy. So again, this time decay curve has been on our side. ISIG, I was looking for a bounce. I was looking for a pullback again, but we are pumping. Don't this decreasing volume. Oh, we're getting the volume to start to pop here. Not really liking it at the moment. Yeah, it's very rug pull. I would not jump into ISIG. So I invest one now to get around through the upgrade to level 3. All right, we're getting close. Let's see. Uh-oh. 15. Getting there, getting close to the open. Looks like it might be holding this level. RELI, dumping. BVXV, dumping. LGVO. Not really liking ISIG is the top stock to watch. Let's see if we have another halt. Nope. $13, guys. We're only 0.001 from actually getting below the open, guys. This time decay curve is on our side. Do not FOMO in. Once we see that, let's see what happens. There's been another buy. I mean, only very small, very small size. So I'm not good. That's not really something I'm gonna watch. It's less than $300. Again, I want to focus on whales, not minnows. I'm a minnow. Oh, we're getting closer to the open. If we Yep, there's the pullback that I was expecting. That's why I didn't want to buy there. So this is a potential move, one that I'm not really liking. Uh-oh, we're very close. Let's see if this drops below the open. Oh man. All right, let's see if this can come down a little bit lower. I want to get a good entry here. Oh, we're close to the. Oh man, guys, it looks like the time decay curve is on our side. Let's see if there's any more. There is more. Buy. Again, not much ALI tokens. Sell. Buy at 140. That was a while ago. No, it wasn't actually. So I don't really see any whales at the moment. Not looking to buy. I think we are going to see it drop below the open. Let's see what happens. Oh, 07, guys, we're close. We're very close. I think I'm going to wait till around 04, 05 to buy potentially. Again, this is going to be later in the day. This is going to be around 6 to 5. Oh man, there was the fake move. Wish I could have gotten in there, but didn't really get the good opportunity to. It would have been off the 1 minute off the 20 EMA. I could have, but it didn't really. There's just something you don't want to risk it. Didn't really get a good opportunity there. Let's go and see if anything else is halted. Nope. Uh-oh. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh, we're back. Okay, we saw a big buyer. Where's that big buyer? Okay, I can't see the output. 80,000 USDC. 80,000 USDC. Buy. So it seemed like he got filled he put in that order and he got just the slippage there was terrible. Slippage there was terrible for him. Back above at 11.4. I'm still thinking we're going to see a nice decay curve. I don't think we're going to see a lot of. We're seeing buyers at the open again, break below the open. That I can almost guarantee that we're going to see that big seller, that big buyer, probably sell if we break below the open. because there's not many whales that will put $80,000 into this, in my opinion. Again, anything can happen. Oh man, I missed. There was a good entry for a bull flag. Broke above the high. Pull back now. Oh man, there's the rip. Halt levels at 22. Halt levels at 22. Maybe scalp it real quick. The spreads are pretty bad though. The spreads are pretty bad. $39. It's already dropping again. Where's that buy? There was that buy for, man, he bought so many tokens. That was he bought 80,000 and he has enough to get a level 3. So a level 3 is definitely not worth 80,000 anymore. A level 3 will be worth definitely something that's, I think a level 3 will probably be worth, well, it takes a level 3 30,000. So he's gotten a stupid amount of money. So I do think we're going to see a massive drop in price. These upper wicks are scaring me here on ISIG. I'm not going to take anything long here. A nice double bottom here. I want to see increasing volume on a doji. RELI broke that previous low. Not liking that. Get a pop though. And right now, the best stock to watch, in my opinion, is going to be ISIG. And we're dropping. Again, my prediction is that today is going to be the only day you'll be able to buy at a good price because of this low. And I wonder where we're going to be able to, I wonder what's going to happen if you're going to be able to buy, if you can't sell, or what's going to happen here. But we'll see. We will see. Funds raised is at 325. Not really seeing anything. Not really seeing anything at the moment. Guys, if you could like the stream, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's see what I'm at. I think I'm very close. I think I'm very, very close. Analytics. I'm at 8 or 980. Woo! Oh man, 20 subscribers away. I think we'll be able to do it. I'll be doing some streaming on YouTube, doing some streaming on TikTok for the next few days, for the rest of the week. If you guys have any questions about that, I'm not ending the stream. I'm just saying if you guys have any questions about anything, want to learn how to trade, just get good cryptocurrency investments, possible investments. A deep dive on some cryptocurrencies right now. I've done VXV, Alethea AI, and Quant. So I do suggest, I highly suggest those videos. How we doing? How are we doing? Again, at 11:31. That would have been a good. Let's see. Again, that would have been a good trade. Right at market open, a nice panic pop up to 16. That's 60%. You could have made 60% immediately. That's crazy. Throw in $100,000, boom. There's another 60,000. Sell at the top, boom. You're good. That's exactly what these bot snipers and what people were doing. We have let's go. Let's see. It's USDC 1,000, 80,000. So again, right now I only want to focus with buy orders that are above like 5,000, above 5,000. So hopefully the admins and ARC builders don't get mad because I'm plugging my YouTube again. We'll see. We'll see. Let me go ahead and actually that's very, very bright. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. Don't know how to. I don't want to decrease my brightness though, because I don't want to accidentally turn off my monitor or anything. Again, this price is now starting to. It's been open for about around an hour, not really moving. So what I can see, and what if we're looking at, let's say we're going to think of terms of candlesticks. Now I'm going to go ahead and give a little bit more explanation inside of this. So as we have what we could see in this first hour. If you guys don't understand candlesticks, this is a candlesticks. This is exactly how charts. This is exactly how these are moving. These are really, really small time frames, but we're going to talk about this time frame. So this candlestick opened at 9 a.m. at the open, and between here and here, this is 1 hour of price action. So what we could see is that the stock pumped up, or let's not the stock. Let me go ahead and actually delete these. Not a fan of it at all. I don't know how to delete them, so I'm just gonna do it. So right now, what we have for this, the Copper Launch platform or the ALI token, at open we saw a massive pump in price all the way up to 16 cents from 11. So, and then we pulled back all the way back down. Now it looks like within this hour, if we close close to the open, which it looks like we are, that means that there's a long upper wick on this candle from the 1 hour time frame. Now we have, I think we have around 2.5 million $1 million worth of volume traded. Now that's a lot of volume. Since we pumped up, pulled back, and closed below the open, or closed at the open, this is known as a shooting star candle. Now this is a high probability of indicating that we're going to move lower, because buyers pushed it up, met with sellers. Now there's more selling pressure, put it back lower. Plus, what's also on our side is that we have that time decay curve, that exponential time decay curve. So that is on our side. And I do expect if there's a sell, 1,000. So I do expect if we break below the open, we're going to see more selling pressure coming in. So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions on why I think that or whatever, just let me know. Let me know, and I'll be glad to explain it more. Trying to give you guys as much information as I can about the ALI token, anything Alethea AI, anything trading, anything crypto. Uh-oh, we're crawling back. Crawling back. All right, how's this doing? So again, on the 5 minute, it looks like it popped up and pulled back. We're getting decreasing volume. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a pullback down to the halt level. I wanted to see a pullback down to the halt level. This is on the 50 SMA as well. Looking for a nice bullish move. We can see that ISIG does this. Pulls up, market maker move, pulls back. Will we be buying? What would you say is the best action to someone who wants to buy? Yes, I want to buy. I'm going to be buying around $300. Not a lot. Again, this is very speculative at the moment, but I also have a good amount invested in the pods, and I have them staked, so I'm going to be gaining some. But as we can see, again, we popped up. Funds raised was over $1 million at one point. At the top, saw a pullback. So we saw most of the selling get taken out, and the selling pressure was more. So now we're very, very close to the open, and that is a bearish sign. That is very bearish, plus we have that time decay curve. Now, if we look at the time decay curve, we have more exponential price action, or more exponential delta, basically the rate of change, in the first day. In the first day, I would suggest if you're looking to buy today, sometime today, because when we start getting into this very, very low change or low delta, that is when we start to see the buying pressure start to overpower the time decay curve. So right now, it's the hardest to hold this price action right now. Now, when we get lower into tomorrow, it's going to be much easier to hold this price action and push the price higher. So I do think I want to take advantage of this very, very hard drop to the time decay curve, and that would be a potentially good opportunity. Now, if you weren't here for the candlesticks, again, we pumped up all the way up to 16 cents. Now we're back close to the open with 2.5 million in total volume within an hour. So that's very bearish. And I can go ahead and give you an example of that. See this candle is exactly what I'm talking about. Pretend this is the ALI token. This one thing. This is 1 hour of time. We opened, shot up, and pulled back close to the open. Then we pulled back more. That is what I'm expecting for a token. Again, we can't really see that because it's a line, but from understanding charting and candlesticks, you can almost imagine the candlesticks. Plus, this time decay curve is also on our side, so I do not expect. What I would say is, do not start to buy until afternoon today. Afternoon, once you'll be able to get, that's around the time decay curve is the most there, and then it starts to drop more and more. We'll start to see some more buying pressure coming in when the time decay curve is also starting to level out. So I hope that answers your question. If you have any more, feel free to ask. Oh, there was the pop up. We popped up. Now we're starting to pull back. There was the panic pop. Looking for it to drop much lower. We're only around 7 or 0.0007 away from the open. Again, sorry TikTok. I haven't really been paying attention to TikTok because I've just been trying to multitask. I don't know how. Multitasking is definitely something I think I'm pretty good at, from trading to doing all this to paying attention to charts to scanners to listening to Josh in chat rooms. Here's this potential opportunity to be buying. I might look to start scaling in here. I'm going to join the bid. I'm scaling. I'm going to be scaling into ISIG here. Looking for the pop. Oh shit, I didn't even see that. That's unfortunate. Again, my stop is going to be low, 25. So I'm going to be flattening it if I can. I want to see some volume start to step in here. We're going to have a nice bounce off the 90 EMA on the 5-minute. Getting a bounce off the 200 SMA on the tick chart. Getting a high volume on a doji candle. That's what I want to see with a no supply. Looking for a close above 19. If we can get a close above 19, that would be a very bullish sign. Oh, the price is so close to the open. So close. Let's see if we can get a pop here. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for around 6 months. I would say I'm at the break-even stage. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I've been trading for around 6 months. I've been working with alpha day trading, working with everything. I am at the break-even stage, which is unfortunate, but I'm also going to continue to work until I can actually be a profitable trader. Bought maybe a little early there. Bought maybe a little early. I want to see a close. That was an anticipation move for pop above 1886. Not liking that at all. Not liking that at all. My stops right now is below this level. So I'm going to put my hard stop in place. Yeah, so I've been trading around 6 months, started beginning of the year, and then I really have only been trading live in the markets since August. Can you explain the 96 to 4% in the correlation that has to do with price over time? I'm confused. I did not understand that. I saw that, I believe, but I didn't really understand it. Again, I was taking this nice bounce off. I should have. So I'm going to scale in my last 20 if we can get a close above this level. So if we can break above that level, I'm going to be scaling with another 20 shares. And then my stop's going to be at break even. Thought we never made it, yeah. So let's see. Looks like I'm not really liking this at the moment. I do like this kind of curve here. I want to see a start. It looks like we might start to round off a little bit. Let's look at the copper. I have my stops in place. I have everything that I need. Oh, we're back below the open. Below the open. Guys, let's see the sell. Let's see if we can see some selling pressure. Buy. Let's see if we can actually 7,000 or 8,000. Sell. So I got more there. There we go. There's the pop. I'm gonna go and sell 10 there. Sell another 10. You know, I don't want to. I'm multitasking. I have 30 shares left on the play. I'm up around $40 on it at the moment. I'm gonna hold the rest. I have 30 shares on it. Could be bull flagging. The pool, LA USD. Here, give me 1 sec. I'll be able to. I'm gonna trade. You know, I'm just gonna lock it up for like $32. You know, I'm multitasking. I'm gonna take it. Again, I only went in with around 1,500, maybe even less than that. I didn't want to use a lot of size. My entry was around was right there. So let's see if I could have had my stop at break even. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and actually talk with Elite. Yeah. Okay. So the pool percentage is 96% ALI, 4% USDC. Win end will be 60% ALI, 40% USDC, if I'm not wrong. I'm assuming that means as the price decay curve, it's automatically going to sell the ALI into USDC. Again, I'm not too really sure about that aspect of it. But there it is, guys. There's the dump. What stock? It was ISIG. Let's see what happens. Again, I probably should have held, but it's okay. I'll take my profits. Give me 1 sec. I'm just going to move this for 1 sec. Oh, I only used $1,100 on that trade. I only used $1,100 on that trade. That was yeah, that was around a 3% trade. That's a good trade. Oh man, guys. Yeah, I definitely should have waited a little bit longer. Definitely should have waited a little bit longer for ISIG. Would have been up 4% or so. Would have been up around 50 or so bucks, which is unfortunate. What does that mean exactly? I'm kind of new to this and confused. I'm not really too sure what that means. So I'm assuming this is just what I have to think. I'm not an expert on this, but what I can explain from it is the pool right now is 96% ALI. So they're building liquidity. So if you want to buy it, you will get filled. Really dig watching, man. Thanks for the stream. Hey, awesome. I really appreciate you coming in. I hope I was able to give you guys some sort of value. I'm always going to try to be a person of value to Elite the AI community, to just my community in general. I'm going to be a big creator here soon. So with the liquidity pool, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, and I wish you guys a happy new year. But the pool, I believe right now is 96% ALI, meaning that most of it is ALI tokens to build liquidity for people who want to buy. Now, as the price decay curve, I believe that's going to automatically, in the smart contract that they have, it's going to sell ALI tokens on the market. Sell ALI tokens on the market to get to USDT or USDC, so that this price decay curve, that's how that price decay curve is working. So that's my 2 cents. We're below 11 cents. I guess Mark Cuban via his company. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and delete or close out my trading platform. I'll take my $31 profit. Yeah, guys, I really appreciate you guys stopping in. I hope I was able to provide some caker. I'm not too sure what you mean by caker. Meaning of it. Let's see if anything pops up. Cake. Oh no, I'm not trying to do cake. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for stopping in. I really appreciate it. Hope I was able to provide some value to y'all and just describe a few things. Again, guys, I'm not looking to buy until sometime midday today to later today. I would suggest if you're looking to buy to do it today. I say that because this time decay curve, it's more exponential. The delta, the rate of change is going to be the highest today. After today, it's going to die off. Feel like Googling cake in this day of dinner is a gamble for your search history. I thought about that subconsciously, but I was like, fuck it. Oh my gosh. Anything could pop up. Really, anything. Oh man. Oh man. Hey, I mean, I like to gamble. I invest in Shiba Inu. Okay, I don't invest in Shiba Inu. I gambled in Shiba Inu a little bit. With a small, very, very small cap, only a few $100s, but I thought it was fun. I like to gamble. Hi, any day trade? Yes, we were trading ISIG. I think ISIG and SOPA is our top stock to watch. Right now I am doing the token distribution auction event with the Elite AI to actually participate in potentially getting their token. So right now I've already traded. I've already made. I think I closed the day with around $30, $32 off an $1,000 trade. So it's around 3%. I'm happy with that. So I did close it down. I'm done trading for the day because I want to have my attention to the copper launch event because I was I was multitasking from 3 different chat rooms from Alethea AI, YouTube, and my trading community. Also with the scanners, Copper Launch event, and also trading all at the same time. So I did close down my trading platform. I'm not going to be trading for the rest of the day. And if you want to stay tuned for the Copper Launch event for Alethea AI, you've probably heard me talk about Alethea AI on TikTok. So come over to YouTube and we can talk about it. Thank you guys for stopping in. All right, all right. Let's see where the price at. Let's see what's going on. And I do think we're going to see a drop a lot with the Leaky AI token. Give me... Oh, we haven't looked at the auction history in a little bit. Let's look at that real quick. I'm taking off my sweatshirt. So we haven't really had much big whales come in. Again, once we drop below the open, you're going to see a lot of buying stop. That's just, again, this is psychology. Everything's psychology. When everyone's trading, when you're looking to trade, it's all psychology. And is there any cryptos that you guys want me to look at? Want me to potentially do some charting on? We already did some for VXV and Bitcoin. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to. I'm gonna find out what this trend line was for. Okay. It's that really long-term trend line. If we break this trend line, I do think we're gonna be in a bear market. But let's see if we can see if this is the top. We'll go ahead and actually do a Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high. We pulled back right into this OTE zone, or this golden ratio zone at 61.8. Okay, I'll check out Cardano in a sec. Now, if this continues, where I'm getting this is a potential. Again, this is a price target that falls around $100,000. That's just following the fib levels. That's not following anything else. Now, that's if it goes up. That's potential price targets. Your first price target is going to be 60,000, 69,000, and then 75, and then potentially 95. I stumbled upon the AI token last night on Twitter somehow and have been glued to it since. Total newbie looking to learn. Any advice? Yes. I actually have a really good YouTube video on Alethea AI covering everything you need to know, the main points of the white paper. So yeah, let me go ahead and actually grab that link for you, and I'll post it up in chat. So yeah, if you're new to Alethea AI, I really suggest that you watch that. It covers really everything you need to know about the company. Let's look at ADA. So ADA is getting into this support zone. Again, I'm not too sure what happened. Yeah, so it's getting right into this level from the previous previous bull market. Now, I'm going to go ahead and actually delete that trend line. It's not the best drawn. What I'm not liking, let's actually go to the weekly chart. Give me a better analysis. Much appreciated. Hey, thank you for stopping in. It's much appreciated for y'all. Now, we do have a downtrend on the play. I'm going to do it from the wicks. We are getting decreasing volume on these candles, which is not what I want to see. When you have a decreasing volume trend, it's usually not a strong trend. So if we can possibly see a nice double bottom in this zone, break the downtrend, we have room back up to 210, and then room back up to these highs. Again, you're going to find some resistance at 236 or 237. But right now, Cardano, what I would be worried about is actually us breaking this trend line. So we're going to break this wedge, either to the upside or to the downside. Now, to the downside, we have our first price target will be that $1 level. Now, if it breaks $1, we're most likely going to break 95, these previous lows. So let's go ahead and find out where we could go. I mean, our next really support is at 69. If we break $1, we're coming down to 69.70 for Cardano. Now, if we break to the upside, potentially what I would like to see is a nice, we pull up, maybe bounce off the trend line one more, higher low, make a higher low that's higher than this previous low. With the break, we could see it back up to 215, and then potentially maybe come back for another retest of the trend line, or we're going to have a nice pop up to this level where these wicks are at 190, and then pull back and retest. Sorry, it is a little messy. But yeah, so I'm on the weekly chart right here. So this is going to take a little bit. This is the end of this is all the way out in March of next year. So yeah, so it's being patient, but with Cardano being delisted off eToro, and there's a lot of articles coming out about Cardano. I sold my position, but hey, it could still turn around here. What about Ethereum? Ethereum broke the trend line. Let's go ahead and look at the total market cap. Well, okay, so what I really don't want to see, and we're going to go to the daily actually, is a head and shoulders pattern. Now, a head and shoulders pattern is a bearish sign where we have the first shoulder, the head, and then another shoulder. Now, if we don't break this 1.4, 1.7 price level, $1.4 trillion level, I do think we're going to break this trend line and come lower. Now, our price target would be at $1 trillion. And this is what, I don't know if you guys have really been looking at the market cap or what, but so this is the previous bull run, back in 2017 bull run. From here to here, from the bull run when we broke out to the top, it was $492 billion worth of capital that moved it this much. Now, in this bull market, we've pretty much doubled that capital. So basically, the bull market has been doubled already. From here to here, it's taken almost $1 trillion. So that's definitely something we got to watch out for. So in terms of capital, we have doubled last bull market. So that is definitely something to watch out for. But this is also a log chart. So if we go from here to here, we can see that we moved up around 200%, just under. From here to here, it was a stupid amount. A bunch of money was flowing in. Again, I do think we're going to see more of a slower term move as we get more and more into this crypto kind of settings. I mean, this crypto environment, I guess I should say. Like when all the companies, everything, the metaverse, we're going to see more of a slow movement because there's going to be more capital inside of each of these big coins and going to potentially drop even lower. Let's go ahead and look at this event. Let's see what's happening. We're dropping lower. Coming back, retesting. It looks like we're going to come. Oh, yeah. It looks like we're coming back to retest this previous open level at 11 bucks or 11 cents. Come back, retest, potentially go lower. We had a sell. Sell. So we have more. It seems like we have more. Oh, we had a buy at 11.34. That was at 10.05 though. 8,000. That we've already reviewed that. Buy. We had a bigger sell. So we're just gonna sit around. I think I'm going to never saw buy and sell action. Should have been buy only. All right, what bake token review, please? I have no I have no idea what that is. So we're gonna go bake. I believe this is it. Is the price at 116? So I'm not liking this. Looks like we are cupping. As long as we don't break this $1 level again, I'm bullish. Maybe a nice double bottom. First targets are going to be at 132. Around actually 137. Break that level, coming up to 170. Then potential room to $2. Break 2, room up to 230. Now, if we have room lower, let's go ahead and find out some price targets for room lower. Since we don't have any levels to watch, we're going to use our Fibonacci retracements. So we're going to take our Fibonacci retracements from the low to the high. Since it's the downtrend, we're going to take it from the high to the low. Now we've retraced down to this. Now this is the top of this small retracement, which it also looks like a potential it could be with this downtrend at 23.6. We used our Fibonacci extensions to find a potential price target. We have a 23.6. So at 67 cents, that is a potential price target if we continue to break lower. Now, you only want to use Fibonacci retracements for price targets when we're in price discovery. So when we break $1, we're in price discovery mode from there on. Let's see if the OpenSea activity has. So okay, so we're at 3.5 for the pods. Let's see this. Let's see this. I want to see this first buy. So he had a buy for 400,000 ALI tokens. Now this is so. Let's see if we can find out how much money he made. We have 0x9c. Let's look for just 9c. Not seeing 9c. It looks like he might still be holding. He can't be holding because the funds raised is less than what he bought for. So I don't know why it's not showing. Let's see if he sold. Did I read it right? Was it 9C? Yeah, it was 9C. He bought it 14. Oh, shit. He's still holding. He's down a good amount. If you click on trade on Balancer, you can see more swaps. Ah. That's good to know. And you could trade it with all of these. Now, I wonder if you'll be able to trade on Balancer the ALI token after the token distribution event or auction is done. I don't know what I'm Balancer pool. I don't want to. I meant liquidity pool on Balancer. Sorry. So Balancer. I'm confused. I've never used Balancer's boost pool. Trade glasses. What does that mean? Or gasless? I meant liquidity pool on Balancer. Yeah, so they're still 95%. One more question, if you don't mind. Checked out your video on AI, and it seems like you only need to buy one token to fuse your NFT with the pod. Any reason besides profit to buy more? So you need to buy actually. So it takes. Let me see if I can find this picture real quick. here it is. So when you stake your pods, you're going to get 500 for the shared, 3,000 for staking, and plus your battle rewards. Now, it takes to go from level 1 to level 2, it takes 3,000 tokens. So you need to, if you want to buy a level 1, and if you miss the staking period, you're not going to get this individual training. So you need to buy 3,000 tokens off the Copper launch pool. Check your video. Yeah, it seems like you only need to buy 1 token to fuse your. Okay, yeah. So token, I think you mean you need to buy 1 personality pod or NFT here, and then you can fuse this with an NFT. Now there's a couple collections. I'll go ahead and pull up the. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the white paper, and we can pull up the actual what is going to where you can fuse it to. Search. Not really too sure where it is. Yeah, here's a good example. So you need to there, where is it? Here it is. Here are the 10 NFT communities that you can fuse your NFT with. Bored Apes, Pudgy Penguins, Stoner Cats is the biggest ones there, and then there's going to be more NFT communities that you can fuse your NFT with. So you have to once you have your excuse me, once you have your personality pod, you can also have your NFT like a Bored Ape, and you fuse them together to make a mind or an eye NFT. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll answer every question you guys have, or try to at least. Give my best. Try to give the best answer. I want to get at least 3,000 ALI tokens. If it drops down to like 6 cents. If it drops down to 6 cents, I'll be able to get around 5,000 tokens. Hey, no problem. No problem, no problem. I'm glad to help. And if you have any questions, you can, again, pop into my streams. I stream every morning trading, and ask me any questions about Alethea. Or on TikTok. Or you can just comment on one of my videos, and I should see it if I don't get a lot of volume of comments. So yeah. Or just in the Discord. I usually have all the Discord always open. And if you just at me, I'll be able to see it on my phone. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. What is ISIG doing? Let's see. Yeah, so I bought right in here, caught this small move up. Glad I sold because I would have gotten stopped out there at my break-even price. So glad I sold everything at the top. We're kind of just staying stagnant. Oh, there's the pump. There's the pump. Would have been up around, if I held it, I would have been up around 70 bucks. But again, hey, I would have gotten stopped out. So glad I sold. And give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna go. I need to stretch out a little bit. My back is not liking me. I need to get a new chair. Oh, we're getting close to about a penny drop in the price. Been open for been open for around 10 or it's been open for around an hour and a half. And we haven't really seen a big buyer come in. So it looks like people are just looking to take up some ALI tokens. I'm looking for it to drop down to around 6 cents. Do you think Pod 12 will drop below 1K again, or do you expect them to only go up in the future? Mine is racing for this project, but that ticket price is difficult. Yes, I mean, honestly, with this, since a level 2 pod is going for like $15,000 right now, and then you could buy a level 1 pod for around $1,400 and then buy around $300 worth of token and level it up. I do think we're going to see a drop in price, but we'll have to see. We have DEX. Wait. Yeah, since it's listed on... Let me go... Let's see, because so I asked if we'll be able to see the ALI token after the distribution or TDA, and he said it'll be listed on a DEX. So let's look up. Oh, I have 12 pancake. Did not know that. You swap it directly on balancer pool. Okay, that's what it is. So still, you won't be able to. I can't see the price. Maybe after the TDA. I'm not really too sure where I'm seeing it on balancer pool. If we go, oh, let's refresh it. Trade on balancer. So I guess you might be able to click USDC to ALI. So you might be able to just do one and see what the. Okay, so you can just see it on balancer. So I'm actually going to. Whoa, whoops, not mean to do that. So I am going to add bookmark, balancer. So let's see. Yep, so that will give you, I have that now. That will be able to get us to see the price whenever. Reading the moon is made of pancakes made me laugh really hard. The moon is made of pancakes. Based off what I see on OpenSea. Yeah, since price is updating, it's hard to see. Yeah. Where do you read the moon is made of pancakes? I'm listening. What am I listening to? I'm listening to Josh Howerton, Alpha Day Trading. We're an upcoming trading platform that focus. We just launched the first multicast platform. You guys, I'm gonna post it here because I'm actually gonna let someone from TikTok. I'm gonna take them through what it is really. So this is the homepage. You scroll down, you can see Josh's screen. Full transparency. You can ask him at any time to show his P&L. There's Josh. Here's our communities. Let's see what's going on. Profits today. Someone's made 200 or 300 bucks. Someone's made 500 today in chat, which is awesome. So yeah, we focus more on education and more on actually teaching you how to trade instead of alerts. Whoops. Oh, when you went to the next page, it was a graphic with an astronaut out of the text next to it. The moon is made of pancakes. Oh shit. Yeah, so if you're interested in actually joining the chat, I can I can give you a discount for it if you would like, because you have been in chat, since you have been in the stream. And if you're interested, let me know. I'll give you a follow and we can talk about it. And then I'll give you a follow if you're interested, please. Okay. And let me go ahead and follow you back, and then after this, I'll go ahead and send you a message and we can talk about it. Yeah, for sure. Here, let me clean my screen a little bit, or clean my camera. It's a little better. Yeah, so I did trade today. I closed the day out with around 30 bucks profit with around $1,000 for trading because I was multitasking and didn't want to use my full account. But yeah, we've made a good amount of money today, and we're currently talking with Inveszo, which is worth multi-millions. We're talking with Team Bull Trading. So yeah, we're getting a lot of partnerships and potentially a lot of room to upside, and a lot of new interesting. Right now, there's 120 viewers that are watching Josh. But yeah, 100%. If you are interested, we can talk about it. Make sure, because I don't want you to just to buy it, and then we have to make sure it's for you. I'm not going to try to have you join the chat if it's not for you. If it's not for you, it's okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys know where I live. Okay, it's supposed to rain till 8, so. Yep, so Josh is about to drop a coupon code. I'll make sure to get that down. So guys, if you are on YouTube, let me know if you guys are interested in actually joining a trading platform, possibly making trading a career. Josh is about to drop some giveaways and also a coupon code. So if you guys are interested on YouTube, I can pull that up and we can have a multi-screen where you can see both. But if not, if none of us is interested, then we'll continue to watch the ALI token. Oh, whoa. Give me 1 sec. I have to type up in chat real quick. All right, all right. Whoops, I accidentally left the trading chat rooms. Money's a little bit tight right now at the moment, but really like your work in trading chat room. Hey, yes, I totally understand, but if we'll probably double back later. Hey, 100%. That's why I go live every single day, because I will give you all of the access to the code or to the chat room for the first hour or so of market open, just to help you guys out. And because we're about providing value. We're not here to sell you guys. Yes, you guys, that's how we make our money, but also Josh is live on YouTube for free right now as well, because we just want to provide value. We want to set ourselves aside from other communities that are just looking to sell you guys. We are trying to give you guys value to help clean up the trading community. So yeah, definitely, if you're looking to trade and looking to learn, come by on the live streams every Monday or every weekday at 9. And any questions you have, I give a deep explanation on why I'm in a trade, what's the education behind my trade, how I'm looking to enter, and just everything about it, from making a watch list to dissecting the stocks that I'm looking at, to actually trade plans and my strategies. So yeah, definitely, if you're trying to learn, you can come back to the stream, and I will definitely give you plenty of value, so you guys don't have to actually drop some cash for some value. All right, let's see what this is. Let's see where this is. Guys, we're about to drop 1 penny. Buy. I don't really see anything too much that's popping up. All right, guys, I do have to, not on the YouTube, but I do have to end the live stream on TikTok, because I do have to go on my phone and check a few things. But Lynn's Zertart1 or whatever, I will be reaching out to you soon, and we can talk about a potential coupon. So thank you guys for stopping in on the live stream. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. All right. Where is this going to go? I need to make sure that I can, because I do have to run some errands today. So I want to make sure that I can get on the Copper launch platform on my phone, and really just can make sure everything runs smoothly. .49. All right, I got everything kind of squared away. So I got everything work. I can get it on my phone, got that in the new tab. So I definitely will be able to do it later. So What, girl? Come here. Stop. Here, you guys want to see my dog? Let me go ahead and let me go ahead and she thinks she's a lap dog, so she likes to climb up sometimes. But I called her up. I know. Pupper, yep. She's getting old. I think she's 11 right now. Ouch, people bought at 15, 30. Oh man. $11 yeah, sounds like she had a good life. We had a I don't even notice. I'm not even trying to say that. Can't really read. Chinchilla, I believe, for about 11, 12 years. Wow, that usually small dogs don't really live for that long. 12 years seems really long. It's dropping slowly but surely. Yep, it is. It is indeed. This is exactly what we thought was going to happen. We have a buy for 75,000 USD at 10.54. So that pumped the price a little bit. Let's see what happens. 10.36. He's still down on it by, yeah. So that's a big buyer. I'm going to be buying around 0.0. I'm going to be buying around 5 to 6 cents. Yeah, 75K, man. Yeah, that's why. That's a lot. That's a crazy amount. But still, price is low. I mean, waiting for it to continue to drop. Again, today is good. I'm going to be buying it sometime today. And I will probably, if you guys are on YouTube, I will be sending out a post where I'll let you guys know when I'm thinking to buy. or potentially, or when I'm about to buy, I'll definitely send that out. So if you want to turn on your post notifications to get that alert. And on the Discord, I'll probably be saying something in the Discord. I'm going to use the restroom real quick. We're just sitting back, relaxing, just taking our time. Sit. All right. We're at 1028. I'm looking to get around 3,000 or more ALI tokens. Are you seeing any of the posts about US buyers having issues going forward with buying tokens? Not sure what people are talking about in chat. I'm not really seeing anything. I think it's just a lack of not having their wallet connected or buying the right token and sending it there or something. But about US buyers having issues going forward with buying the tokens, I'm not too sure why it would be an issue for only US buyers. I mean, $5. There's that $75,000 level, or $75,000 buyer. Not too sure. I'm not saying tokens. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing it. That Noah's Ark, the community chat is just so quick. It's hard to see. Yeah, just two people bringing it up. Yeah, I think it's just problem with their wallets and stuff. I mean, as long as you have USDC in your MetaMask wallet, You can buy USDC on Coinbase, send it over to your MetaMask, and then you can from there you can actually connect your wallet, and it should be. Let's see. 1021, guys, it's dropping. No more buying pressure right now. Again, I want to get around a 6-cent entry. That'd give me around 5,000 tokens. That'd be ideal. Again, I'm in this for the long term. I'd probably hold those 5,000 tokens for a very long time. Because with 2022 coming in, they have a lot planned, and that's going to be when NFTs start making the change to artificial intelligence. Because right now, the hype is around gaming NFTs and collectibles and profile pictures. I think we're going to switch to an artificial intelligence NFT market, or NFT like wave per se. Like there's different sectors of the NFTs. Again, there's gaming, there's utility, there's profile pictures, there's collectibles, and then there's also a artificial intelligence. And so I do think we're going to see that artificial intelligence pop potentially. So again, I'm holding longer term. Let's see what Josh is up on the day for the trading platform. Oh, he's up 200. He's up around $300. I'll go ahead and show you guys. He has full transparency. Doesn't show a total P&L, but shows all of his trades and what he's made. SOPA absolutely ripping. What is ISIG at? ISIG pumped. Where is this? Oh, what happened here? Oh, this is my, okay, here. Give me 1 sec. I don't know what's happened. There it is. 1021, guys. Price is dropping. Price is dropping. 1017. On your trading platform, chat, do you guys only work in crypto or other stocks as well? So we focus mainly on equities, but we have scanners here. I'll go ahead and show you the scanners as well. So this is the multicast platform. Soon they're going to be able to search on FinViz. Soon you're going to be able to search and find up any ticker you want. But right now you get these 20. Right now, if you wanted to get these scanners alone and buy it from Trade Ideas, it's $2,400 a month or a year. Excuse me. Now we're partnered with Trade Ideas, so if you get in with us, you get everything, including 120 video lessons. This is the new platform, so it's going to be a little bit more. We have all of these videos. You have some the premium videos covering everything, and we have load more. And there's going to be so many different more that have updated because I am the editor of it, and I've edited around 30 of them that he hasn't posted up yet. So you get so many. And we do have a crypto chat. Let's go ahead and join the room. So right now we have, again, that's Josh. There's his live stream. We have alerts. Sometimes we post alerts about news. We have profits. Again, this is only from today. This is 12:03. I don't know why it makes sense. Oh, I guess it was. But I don't know why it says 12:03 because we opened this today. We moved over from the main account. And look, you can just hover over it and you get a chart of it. But yeah, today, one of our friends or one of our community members is up. So we do have a crypto chat, and I do kind of cover that, whatever I'm looking to buy. But right now it's not working because we did move over today. We're looking to transfer over everything from the old site to this new site. I'll go ahead and show you the old site real quick. Again, there's Josh. The live stream is not up, but again, Stock Talk, it's loading. Alerts, profits on profits on profits on profits. That's really the best. Josh loses his mind when we see something. We have $60 profit, 170, 600, down 50 again. Josh, everybody will still post their losers because we know that trading's not all about winning. It's about overcoming the losers, what happened to the losers, and what you can do better. So yeah, there's 268. There's Josh's, if we scroll back all the way, this is only from the 17th. Josh is obviously down $800 there because again, he covers why he lost on each trade. Trading's not all winning or losing. In crypto, yes, we do talk about cryptocurrencies. I do send up some charting, some other stuff. And if anybody has any questions about crypto, I'll answer it right then and there. But yeah, I mean, everything's coming together, and I'm really excited for where this is going to go. Especially since we're talking right now with a hedge fund trader, and now he's a marketer, and he's been talking with there's Team Bull Trading, there's all these other high-end trading communities. We outdo them on every single level because we have our own site. What my favorite thing is, we can't pop it out on this, but if we go over to the chat room alerts, I like you can pop out the chat room and move it however you want on your screen, which is what I really, really like because so real estate on your screens for trading is key. Yeah, so definitely, man, if you're definitely interested, again, come over to the live streams. I'll give you a bunch of value for free just to help clean up the trading community, again, getting you guys to learn. Oh, give me a sec, guys. Come on, over here. She's right where I should move my chair, so that's a. And Josh is about to dive into an afternoon lesson. I mean, I wouldn't mind leaving my. No, I can't because I got to use my computer for some editing and then do some more errands, or else I would leave the lesson up for you guys. Bullet. Yep. All right, guys, I do have to call it here. I'm going to go get some food, do my errands, and then I will definitely let you guys know on YouTube. I'll make a post or make a tweet on Twitter and on YouTube when I think I'm going to buy or when I'm going to buy. Thank you guys so much for stopping. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys were able to find some value from the stream. So I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, and hopefully you guys will have a wonderful New Year's as well. And if I don't see you before then, Happy New Year's. Make sure to get those resolutions in and thought about. Have a good one, man. Thanks for this. No problem, man. I'm glad I was able to help you, or just provide value to somebody. So awesome. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you probably in the future if you're interested in partnering with Alpha or just coming in and learning. So Have a good one, and I will see you sometime soon.